What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Got a requested what's in the box video for today. This one from Andrew R. Wanted to see what was inside of the AMT Peterbilt Wrecker. The box isn't even going to fit into the frame on that shot. It's a big one. It's a big box. I have no idea how many parts are in it. I'm not sure if it says anywhere on the box, but you can see there is a lot of parts trees. This might be a little bit longer of an unboxing than normal, so bear with me. I'll try to get through it as expediently and efficiently as we can. Shows the decals and some of the extras, the tools and stuff, but again, this one's a little bit too large to even fit into frame, so we're just gonna get into it, crack it open, and see what's inside. Choking hazard. Small parts, not for children under 3 years old. Plastic, so much plastic. It's heavy. First of all, it's a really heavy box. It's got some weight to it. So we'll set that one up there. And oh gosh, there's a lot of parts in here. I am curious. I didn't see anywhere. I tried to look if it said how many parts there were, but again, you could just see from the, oh boy, what have I got myself into here? Ironically, I was just talking to somebody on one of the Facebook groups about big rigs. I've never built one before. I have that TranStar kit, the new one that just came out, where it was retooled. Supposedly it's a great kit for someone like myself that's never built a big rig. Oh my god, there's a lot of parts in here. Yeah, like I said, this might take a little bit longer than normal. And maybe I should have unwrapped it all first, but then it wouldn't be a real unboxing. So first of all, we'll look at the rather large instruction sheet. I like it when they're flat, big one piece like this. You can work off of them. It is kind of nice where you get the parts and you can look at where they go. But you know, it's standard to most. It's got your engine, and then I guess the chassis is a chassis, right? Interior, tub, body, more body. Look at, oh my gosh, just right away, let's look. But I've seen this built up on another YouTuber's channel, and it looks like a neat kit. The boom is supposed to operate, it goes in and out, bed goes up, bed goes down, bed goes up, bed goes down. What show? Come on, play along. Those are references. You gotta play along with me. Big old AMT is always proud of their expanded decal sheets. This is nice. They look good. They look really crisp. There's not a whole lot going on. Just, you know, mostly just there's some trim and what is that, like reflective? Not really. It's just like a color trim. It would have been neat to have seen some, you know, chevron pattern stuff. I've made some. I printed some out. I'll probably use some of that. Lots of Peterbilt logos. American flag. America. That's really about it. There's not much there. Steering wheel hub. Grand Rapids Peterbilt. Huh. I wonder where they get the names from these companies from. Are those also licensed? Are there places that say, yeah, you can use our name? I don't know. Things that made me go, I wonder. So let's get into the easy part to identify. I apologize for foreshadowing. There's probably going to be some stuff on here that I don't know what it is. Square part, round part. Looks good. I don't see a whole lot of ugly flash or anything. Wow, look at all those rivet holes. That's, or whatever, rivet bumps. The camera will pick that up. It's just there's tons of them. That is going to be some. Get the magnifying glass out and beep, 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 beep. Boy, that'll make you go bonkers. I bought this kit originally when I was doing the Motel Shuffle. It was the Momo modeler, thinking that it would take me a little longer, and I never got around to building it. Looks good. The body looks really nice. It's good feeling plastic. It feels really solid. And then we'll look at the. Come on, my neck brake. Cheapo. I'm not sure where it was made. Probably made somewhere not here. I've said that before. Oh, good squishy rubbers. They feel nice. Firestone Transport 110 10.00.20. Little Firestone logos. It's pretty faint, but it's there, you know. Under a certain light, you will be able to see that. Good looking tires. And we get how many are here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 of those. Whew, wow, that's a lot. So let's just get right into this. So I'm not going to open it because I'd like to keep them from getting too scratched or damaged. But we got a big single piece front shields and side windows. Bling! Yeah, yourself, whatever. Rear window, headlights, and looks like probably like spotlights. This thing's got tons of lights on it. It's got some red and amber roof lights. Tons of markers, and just there's some lights to put on this thing. Then we'll get into the chromes. And again, a lot of chrome parts. It's got extras in it too. Oh my goodness! Look at that big giant grill, big old bumper. Wow, that's amazing. Look at the stacks. Looks nice. Was that a step? Chrome step? Are those? Okay, I gotta turn that off. Sorry. Hold on a second. It's so annoying. Okay. Are those the mirror? No, those are the headlight buckles. Back of bleh, words. Looks good. Nice round headlights. Wonder what year this truck is. A lot of chrome. Looks like a couple. There's the side mirrors, or the side mirrors. The only mirrors this thing has. Or what, you got front mirrors? Words. And here's a jack handle. Look at that big tow hook. A fire extinguisher. Those are like rails for the bed. And if you can hear in the background, I've got some music playing. This is Lo-Fi Girl. It's a YouTube channel that just has 24 hours of live streaming music. Figured something playing, some ambient sounds. Apparently it's copyright free, so let's see if I get a strike for this. See if this video actually even makes it to the channel. Wow. Uh-oh. Oh, carpet grandma. Ooh. Ew. What is that? Got like a grease or something on it. Huge set of wheels. Ooh, wow. Although the trailer that I played with for the Porsche Race Team trailer, the assembly of these actually was pretty nice. They fit in there well, and the backs fit really well. Yeah, I can feel already that looks great. The compression fit works really well. Some kind of tanks or something, gas fuel tanks. the air horns. You know, I don't know. I don't know what half the stuff is. Again, never built a semi, never been around them. It wasn't really ever my thing, you know, it's kind of my bag, man. This is my bag. Again, I got this kit mostly because it was a little bit larger and it would take me a little longer. The build process might last longer, but I never got into it. I never opened it. Frame rails, some interesting details in there. Looks like those are probably brake lines or fuel lines or some kind of line. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's little lines that you can toothpick paint that, pull out a little detail on there. So that'll paint up nice. Them giant fenders. Oh, nice. That dashboard has, oh, there's some tiny painting happening there. This looks like a firewall with, again, more lines of, you know, electrical wires and stuff. It's square parts. Square parts and a round hole in a square part. Those are batteries. I know that much. Those are like, maybe those are steps or probably a battery box. A radiator. Oh. Everything feels good. I don't see any hideous flash or anything. It looks to be in good shape. Let's start making our pile over here so it's not in your shot. In your face. And here's a bag of tiny parts. Looks like this one has suspension stuff. Yeah, there's some springs, and that's about as far as that goes. As far as me being able to see know what they are. There's some springs, and those go in between the frame rails. I know that much from building the trailer that I made. This thing apparently has a tilting hood too, or tilting nose. Not sure how hard that's going to be to make happen. There's more of the extras. We got a couple gas tanks and a jack, old school floor jack. Well, I think it's just giant compared to newer floor jacks. Not sure what those are, but those have like a wood grain on them. So, I don't know, something to do with inside of the bed. More, looks like that's probably part of the boom. Bumper, maybe? I don't know. I don't know. I hate to say it, but I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. Another big bag of plastics here. Giant flat sheets. There's the side of the wrecker bed, and then probably a spare tire, 2-part plastic, and more extras. Looks like some kind of radio breaker, a shovel. Well, that's cool. And the broom. Yeah, it does. It has like a little grain effect. You can paint that up so it looks like a push broom bristles. A toolbox, some flags, and other, I don't know. I don't know, man. The other side of the wrecker, probably the rear. Is that the back between the cab and the front of the wrecker bed? Probably the base for the boom, I'm guessing. And then here's the bed itself, the bottom of the wrecker bed. Oh, it's got a nice diamond plate texture to it. Paint that up in a steel, that'll look really good. The YouTuber that I was talking about that made his was, I think he made it like yellow. I don't know what color I would do this. I really don't. But I would think a high vis, you know, safety first. That looks like probably the other parts of the boom. And I do remember on his channel, you have to be cautious. You have to be mindful of not gluing that to make sure that it still works, that it goes in and out. Boom goes in, boom goes out. And yeah, this is the last bag. There's a lot of bags here. I wonder how long this is going to take me. I wonder if I'll ever start it. No, I know I will. I'm not like that. I don't like unfinished projects. So modeling, to me, models are, you know, once I get started on it, I'm going to finish. Even if it's something that fights me, I'm going to fight back. And one way or the other, I'll dump some glue all over that thing and make it work. Some, looks like some wheel backs and a couple seats. Giant steering wheel. And then the motor. There, hold that still. Look at that beast. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a powerhouse motor for sure. Those giant axles. So is it? Yeah, 2 axles. And there's some flash nuggets for you. Flash nugget. Front suspension components. Is that another CB? Another radio? And looks like probably 2 antennas. Wow. Whoa. Parts are flying. Looks like a milk bottle. It's a starter. Wow, that's ginormous compared to our normal car size starters. And then last tree here looks like some fuel tanks. I'm not sure, maybe more wheel backs or something. I really don't know. I'll stop saying I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know what it is. I'm new. I don't know what to do. What movie? So I have no clue what any of that stuff is. The parts that need to get glued to other parts, and probably would be better if I painted these parts. So there you go. That does it for the Peterbilt Wrecker. Massive. Wait, did I? Oh, that's the interior tub. Huh. Not real prominent, but you know, there's some detail in there you can pull out. Some padded sides. Wow, the rubbers feel really good. Yeah, nice. It's gonna be a cool kit. Looking forward to it. So that about does it for the AMT Peterbilt Wrecker request unboxing. Went out to Andrew R. Wanted to see this one. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe. And keep doing these unboxings, what's in the box. And coming soon, this guy. Yeah. The Estima Eras G Edition. Go G! Got some ideas for this one. Give you a little teaser here. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, comment. See you in the next one.